Okay, we got Angel here, feeding her. Got her favorite outfit on. You like that, Angel? She's looking at her toy. Okay, I think she's about through with this. We got birds. No. There you go. Can you give me another part? She done got sleepy. She's going to sleep. We're gonna give her a little blanket. She loves little blankets. She's going to sleep.